day 3 of Jenny's countdown to Christmas, and I forgot my hat. Hang on. There's my hat. Okay, now I'm ready. Here we go. All right, it is day 3. I'm so excited because I did finish the ugly sweater quilt. I have it right here. I'll show you more after we open today's gift because I know some of you probably don't care to see this. And I'll also guess at day 4's gift, and I'll also give you the running total. I will give you warnings before all of those things in case you don't want to see it, and you can leave the video, okay? All right, so today, oh my goodness. So yesterday I said it feels like a little, I don't know, something like a kid's toy, which it's probably not. Some of you guessed pins and some said clips. I don't know, let's open it up and find out. Well, this one does not want to come open. There we go. Ooh, it's magic pins. Okay, with flat heads. Oh, I love this. This is a great gift. I have the magic pins, but I don't care for them because they're rounded, and I never knew that they made flat tips. So if you're unfamiliar with magic pins, they are great because you can iron over them. The heads of them are silicone. And then I just heard on a podcast that they are also, the different colors are the different lengths. I didn't know that either. So these are a lot of fun. These are great. They're wonderful because you can iron over them. And you know, I can always use pins. Love this. What a great gift. Yay! Okay, so I'm going to guess for tomorrow's item. If you don't want to see, turn it off. Fair warning. All right, tomorrow's item is a box. And you know, I can never guess the boxes because I don't know what it is. It feels almost like a picture frame maybe? It's a little squishy here. It's hard in the middle. Almost feels like a circle. I don't know, but we'll find out tomorrow. Okay, so the project, oh my goodness, look at how cute. It's little, it's smaller than it looks on the pattern, but it's so cute. And after last year's fiasco with me trying to machine applique, which I'm terrible at, I decided to do it by hand. So these little guys are stitched on with embroidery floss and a buttonhole stitch. I love doing the buttonhole stitch, so this was a no-brainer for me, and I love that it added an extra texture to these. The backing is just a fat quarter, so it is really great because it is fat quarter friendly as far as the backing goes. And I just did a simple quilting on it. I love it. I have to add a hanger yet, but it's so cute. It would make a great pillow too. This little template is adorable, and I'm thinking you could even, let me find it. What did I do with it? Hang on. Okay, it has a hole in it at the top here, and I'm gonna take that little plastic off. So there is a hole right here, if you can see that. I think it'd be a really cute little ornament. You could put a hanger on there and hang it on your tree, especially if you have a sewing tree like me. I don't know, it's been fun. I think it's adorable. And you have tons of fabric left. I have 33 pieces left of this, so cute, so much fun. You can make 4, I guess, right? 4 of these little quilts. It's great. Love it, love it, love it. All right, let's talk about the value of this box. So I put the pattern at $10, which might be a little high, but I don't know. Their patterns on Missouri Star Quilt Company's website are around $10, so that's what I went with. $2 for the fusible webbing, and I put the template at $5 just because they have another template that's a gingerbread man on their site for $5, and I thought I would just go with that. That brings us to $17 value for day 2, plus the $11 value for day 1, which I know some of you disputed, but when I went out to their website, sure enough, they were around $11, $12. So I'm gonna kind of stick with that. That brings our grand total to $28, and I paid $179.95 for the box, so it brings us down to $151.95. If I did my math right. Hopefully I did. So I think we're doing pretty good. I am so excited about our pins. I can't wait for tomorrow, and I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you take some time to sew. I'll see you real soon. Bye.